Introducing PROXI One Step, a ready-to-use hydrogen peroxide-based multi-surface disinfectant cleaner by Rochester Midland Corporation. PROXI disinfects using hydrogen peroxide technology that kills microorganisms like COVID-19 in 3 minutes and is a sanitizer in 60 seconds. PROXI One Step also cleans naturally using our H2O2 technology, leaving surfaces clean and rooms fresh fast. It is versatile and safe on all non-porous surfaces found in bathrooms, schools, hospitals, fitness centers, offices, or anywhere that requires a disinfectant and clean surface. PROXI One Step is a sustainable hygiene solution that protects human health, productivity, and the environment as it breaks down to just oxygen and water, leaving no nasty residue. For more information, call Rochester Midland Corporation at 1-800-836-1633 or visit us at www.rochestermidland.com.